Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy day, sleepy, sleepy, sleepy day. Hi, Rosa. How are you, Rosa? Good morning, guys. Good morning, Rosa. Today, 19 February 2025, and very cold outside. Last day we have big snowstorms in Missouri. Bolivar, Springfield, Kansas City, and close city for this city was many snow. All day have snow last day. And you know, my dog, of course, stayed home. Hi, Faina. I don't know, last night was very cold, snow and cold. And I closed my front door and kitchen door. Many different stuff, towel, blankets, pillow, and because in house really was very cold, and temperature inside in my house 66 degrees. I prefer when temperature in home, for example, 68, 69, it's okay, it's comfortable when I can good sleep and when I can good something do it. It's very comfortable weather, very comfortable, I mean temperature in my house. But when temperature a little low, like 65, 64 and 66 like yesterday, and maybe 65 was in the night, it's really not comfortable for me. And it's okay, it's okay. Sometimes we have very cold weather in Missouri. Yeah, guys, I live in Missouri about 11 years, and every winter in Missouri always different. For example, December in Missouri, it's good weather. Sometimes we have rain here. January, sometimes have storms and cold, and sometimes we have snow, many snow. And last January was cold someday, I forget when. Its temperature was maybe 12, maybe 20 degrees. So, and February, always we have many snow, like yesterday. We have big storms, right? And temperature was last night 5 degrees. It's really cold. And people tell about next night, its temperature will be maybe 1, maybe 0 degrees. It's really cold. It's really cold. Snow stay, many snow around my house, around my city. And Springfield too have many snow. Kansas City have many snow. And today in the morning was sunny morning, and we had blue sky, but now again cloudy. And I'm little worried about snow because I don't want snow more again. And how about my guys, my dogs? Faina, she's very fast go in backyard and very fast come back, go home. It's Rosa too. It's these guys don't like snow, and these guys don't like really play for outside. Yeah, it's Faina now sleepy and enjoy time. Say hi, Faina, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Support my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and see you next video. Bye bye.